Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already. Now, once you log in, you will be taken into your news feed, from which, in order to change your name, tap on your account icon at the top right corner and then tap on your user ID. From this page, you will find the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap on it, and underneath the Edit Profile section, you can scroll all the way down until you find Edit Your About Info. Go ahead and tap on it, and now from the About page, you can scroll down once again until you find the Other Names section. Go ahead and tap on Add Other Name, and now you can choose what kind of name you want to select. Tap on the drop-down menu and choose the kind of name that you want to use. After choosing your name type, simply type in the name that you want to be displayed. After entering your desired name, you can simply make sure that you select Show at Top of Profile so that this will be shown first. While there is no direct option to change your name, you can add other names and make sure that it is shown on top so that it will appear as your primary name. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.